Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing Prototype 2 EA, an automated trading system available for MT4 on the MQL5 Marketplace. Looking at the product page, Prototype 2 EA is currently priced at 249 US dollars. The version shown here is 2.96, and according to the developer Sergey Roznov, the EA has been updated over time and is designed as a no-martingale trading system. One of the first things that stands out is the claim that it can be tested over a 15-year historical period, which is always useful when evaluating the long-term behavior of an automated strategy. The developer states that the default settings are configured for EURUSD on the M15 time frame, although the EA is described as being adaptable to other currency pairs and time frames through its input parameters. It's also positioned as suitable for both beginners and more experienced traders. Beginners can simply attach the EA to a chart and let it operate automatically, while experienced users have access to additional controls for lot size, take profit, and stop loss management. So as we move through the feature section, the developer explains that the EA attempts to enter positions either at the beginning of a trend or in the direction of a correction. Positions can then be closed either through indicator-based conditions or by reaching a take profit target. Another interesting detail mentioned here is that previous losing trades can be taken into account in future trading decisions when specific parameters are enabled. The money management side also appears quite flexible. Lot sizing can be calculated automatically based on the desired profit target and take profit distance, while remaining limited by a user-defined risk parameter. There is also an option to restrict the system to a single open position at a time through the max open orders settings. All right. Looking further down, the developer highlights several operational advantages. The EA works based on completed bars rather than lower time frame ticks, which allows testing using open prices and can significantly speed up historical analysis. There is also a backup mechanism designed to preserve trading variables in case of interruptions, helping the system continue from where it left off. In addition, the EA automatically adjusts to different account currencies, deposit sizes, server digit formats, and GMT differences. Okay, so now let's just move over to the historical backtesting section. Since the developer specifically mentions testing over a 15-year period, that provides a broad sample of market conditions for evaluation. However, I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself across different market environments and broker conditions so you can develop a more complete understanding of how the EA behaves. So as we review the historical reports, the testing reports presented here, I can see that this is for 15 years. Start balance was $1,000. This is for the test 1. This is for test 2. Okay, here we have test 3, and I can see that the equity curve, the equity and balance curve, is quite interesting. You know, the growth was stagnant for a while before it now started, moving up, and there were significant drawdowns during this period. And then here, this test 2, with these particular settings, it looks kind of rough. There were drawdowns and then a push up and then drawdowns, as if there were pullbacks in the growth. And then here, this was not smooth at all. This was not smooth. Okay. Let's just head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the prototype 2 EA behaved on EURUSD on the M15 time frame as recommended. We are using the every tick model and I'm testing over the past 3 months in 2026. So looking at the reports from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was negative 189.39, and the total trades taken were 87, out of which 51 were profitable, giving us a 58.62% win rate. Largest profit was 208.98, and the average profit was 39.47. Largest loss was 278.88, and the average loss was 61.18. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is bad because the average loss is bigger than the average profit. Okay, but in a moment, let's just go turn on the visuals. Let's see this EA in action. All right. So as we review the historical chart activity, the overall approach appears focused on identifying trend beginnings or corrective opportunities, with exits managed either through predefined profit targets or indicator-based conditions described by the developer. Beyond those details, it is important not to assume additional strategy logic that isn't explicitly provided. All right, so when looking at the historical testing performance, remember that these results represent historical analysis only. Actual performance can vary based on risk settings, lot sizing choices, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. All right. So overall, the prototype 2 EA presents itself as a flexible MT4 trading system with automatic lot management, configurable risk controls, broad testing capability, and a no martingale approach. As always, I recommend performing your own testing and your own optimization as well before you consider any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications as well so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content and expert advice or reviews. So in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.